What are you doing?
I'm gonna go sleep in the other room so we don't bug each other.
And leave me here all alone?
I thought you'd be happy.
Well, my nose might be happy, but the rest of me won't be.
Oh.
Unless you're leaving because my snoring is so bad. Alleged snoring.
Alleged snoring? I'm going half deaf in this ear from your alleged snoring.
Well, there must be a way to compromise.
Compromise? There's no compromise. You won't let me spritz your nasal passages.
Even if I did, that's not going to stop the tear gas coming out of your pants.
Onions in, onions out.